All Coast Lawn Care.
Hey, how's it going? Charles here from All Coast Lawn Care. So today I'm excited because I tried doing a pressure washing service last season, but I just got so overwhelmed with lawn care that the vision just went away. Because I always just told, I didn't have time to pressure wash. But I'm gonna give it a shot again this year, this coming season. We're in January right now, so I'm just excited. All right, I got my little pressure washing setup ready. I modified my hose reel, my pressure washing hose reel, my water hose reel on a dolly to try to be efficient. All right, so let me show you what I got. So as you can see, this is the my 12-foot trailer right here with my zero turn and my string trimmer and edger on that side. But on this side in the front, I have my 4-gallon per minute pressure washer. This was used. I bought it from a buddy of mine that does pressure washing. He bought a new one, so he sold me his for a good deal. So this is a 4-gallon per minute. There's a Honda engine GX 390 right here. GX 390. All right. The 4-gallon per minute pressure pump. So the way I have it set up, so there's a hose wheel, water hose reel, and a pressure washer hose reel right there. So it's set up on a dolly, y'all. All right. So that way I can just take everything off and on the trailer as needed. Okay. All right. So I don't have this mounted up on the skid. I just could take it off and put it in my garage or in the shed. Or not put it in the garage because we're in the temperature is under 30 degrees. So I want to protect the pressure pump. I don't want anything to freeze up in it and damage it. Okay. Over here I have the 16-inch surface cleaner, and that's just a 5-gallon of water right there to flush out the downstream injector, which is right here, y'all. So here's a downstream injector. Here's a gun right here. Take the gun out. So here's a downstream injector right here, y'all, connected to the pressure washer hose, and then this side is connected to the pressure washer. All right. Underneath that, the siphon hose is right here. So I'll drop it in a bucket. I'll drop the siphon hose in the bucket like that, y'all. So here's my chemicals right here. I got 12.5% SH, and I'm using this surfactant right here, lemon dancer. Okay, so I got an extra pill. I have a Xjet right here, so I could better put some heavy SH chemicals on the building or wherever. But here's a bucket, y'all. So let's say I want to do a driveway. I'll put a gallon of SH and a gallon of water and a little bit of that lemon dancer right there, and I just stir it up and drop it in here, y'all, and I'll siphon everything from there. Okay, so that's how I have this set up. So in here I have my Xjet right here. I have another gun right there, pressure washer gun. I got some connectors. Alright, but this is my setup, y'all, and there's the gun. Alright, I'll just put the gun in the truck so it won't be bouncing around a lot in the trailer. Put it back here. So this is a lawn care pressure washing setup. Okay, so I'm gonna go out there and knock on a couple of doors, see if anybody needs their driveways cleaned or houses washed. All right, y'all, I'll keep you up to date how it turns out today after I knock on some doors, see if anybody needs their driveway surface cleaned. So yesterday I knocked on the door and asked some lady if they wanted her driveway cleaned. She said no, but she needed her lawn done, so it turned out to a $80 lawn care job. It took me like an hour to do. So she said she will give me a call to when she's ready to get her driveway surface cleaned. So looking forward to that. Other than that, she's a new lawn care customer for this coming season. All right, y'all. Hey, knock on doors, advertise. Good luck, and wish you a prosperous lawn care / pressure washing season. All right, God bless, and please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.